Hello everyone. Next we are going to leave one side hair apart and then taking the whole hair, converting it into a bun and then securing it with the help of a pin. We are going to make a simple braid and then joining it with a bun. Next we are going to leave left side apart and then making a braid and forming a bun with the whole hair. After that we are going to make a braid from remaining part of hair and joining it with a bun. Next we are going to take two layers and then joining it with a clip, repeating the same step and your hairstyle is ready. Next we are going to take two layers of hair and then joining it with a rubber band, then repeating the same step, passing the whole hair through it. After that making a simple braid and forming a beautiful bun from it. After that we are going to roll out together the braid and the bun and then we are applying this clip. Next we are going to take 4 layers and then securing it with a rubber band, then making a simple bun and securing it with a pin. Next we are going to take hair 4 times each from two sides and then joining it with a rubber band, loosen the hair and then taking rest of the untied hair and making this beautiful bun from it. Next we are going to take 3 layers from our hair and then making a simple braid, loosen it and then taking 2 parts again from sides and securing it with the rubber band. Then to the remaining untied hair we are going to make this low bun. Next we are applying a clip in our hair and then taking 2 layers, joining them with a clip opposite to each other, then taking 2 layers again and joining them together. Next we are going to move ahead. Here we are tying some of our hair with a rubber band. Remaining hair we are going to again secure them with a rubber band as shown in the video. Then at last with the remaining hair we are going to make a simple bow as shown. Next we are going to take a rubber band, forming this ponytail by using some of the hair and then passing it through the bun so that this hairstyle could be made. Then we are going to join them all together with the help of a pin and securing it. And now your hairstyle is ready. Next we are going to take some hair, secure it with rubber band, then again repeating the process, then loosen the hair. After that we are going to take the remaining hair and making this beautiful low bun.